Tatlong labor attaché na sangkot sa sex for flight scheme ang inirekomendang sampahan ng kasong administratibo. Ayon kay DOLE spokesperson Nicon Pameronag, kakasuhan sina labor attaché Adam Musa ng kasong gross negligence, OIC labor attaché Mario Antonio ng kasong grave misconduct at assistant labor attaché Antonio Villafuerte ng kasong simple negligence. Bukod dito, sinabi ni DOLE Secretary Rosalinda Baldos na inirekomenda rin ang pagsasampa ng reklamong sexual harassment laban kay Villafuerte dahil sa pambabastos sa dalawang Filipino workers.
Yung investigation ng labor and employment was on the administrative aspect. The criminal aspect will be for the Department of Justice to determine. The team did not count the involvement of any of the DOLE organic personnel in any sex for flight or sex for hire activity. But merong aspeto tungkol sa iba nilang conduct as officials of good follow.